Have you ever asked an artificial intelligence coding assistant for a quick snippet, only to find it suggests something that just does not quite work or even breaks your code? It can be a bit puzzling, right? Artificial intelligence code suggestions sometimes have errors because these tools operate on statistical pattern matching, not genuine comprehension of programming logic or your specific project's intent. They predict the next most probable sequence of code based on the vast datasets they were trained on, which are snapshots of past code, not perfect representations of correct, current, or contextually appropriate solutions. The core mechanism behind this behavior lies in how large language models, or LLMs, learn. These models analyze massive amounts of existing code to identify common patterns, syntax, and structures. When you type, the AI is essentially calculating the most statistically likely code to follow your input, based on these learned patterns. It is like an incredibly sophisticated autocomplete feature for developers. This means it can confidently suggest code that looks correct at first glance but might contain subtle bugs, security vulnerabilities, or simply not fit your program's unique requirements. To make the most of AI code suggestions, it is vital to treat them as helpful starting points rather than infallible solutions. Always review the generated code carefully, even for seemingly simple functions. Test the suggestions thoroughly within your development environment, paying close attention to edge cases and error handling. A great practice is to use the AI to generate boilerplate code or repetitive structures, which are often safer bets, and then customize them to your precise needs. One interesting aspect of these models is their hallucination tendency. This is when an AI confidently generates information that is plausible but entirely false or nonsensical in context. In coding, this might manifest as suggesting non-existent functions, using incorrect application programming interface parameters, or recommending deprecated practices with a high degree of certainty. Understanding that an AI can confidently be wrong empowers you to critically evaluate its output and avoid introducing new problems into your codebase. Ultimately, viewing artificial intelligence code suggestions as a powerful co-pilot, rather than an autonomous driver, is key. By understanding their statistical nature and tendency to occasionally hallucinate, you can leverage their speed and pattern recognition abilities while maintaining your role as the expert programmer, ensuring the quality and correctness of your final code.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and build with us.